trade Recoin for last night, where we had nothing. We kind of missed execution, and price did end up taking this low. Okay, so coming into session, I'd seen 4 hour. We had hit this high already, swept that, and then we were coming back up to it. So I was saying, okay, we'll take some low, then we'll come back topside to push through. And I was thinking like some low would be either London low here, but I was definitely thinking more this Asian low because we had a big divergence on it with ES. But then it went to these hourly lows here equals, and I was like, okay, that's still fine. Then it just dumped through, and I was like, okay, bedtime. But could have taken this topside divergence down. Should have. I was a bit too focused on the shorts, but definitely should have taken this topside divergence to the bottom. Because it took this hourly, so this was Asian or London high, and it missed. So obviously that's a really good position right there. And I was too infatuated on coming long off this. Even if we shot for those, like, okay, 5 minute breaker structure happens here on the 45 candle, and because we've already hit this low, as soon as we start coming lower again, we're definitely short. So it hits this 45. And because at this point, we're way through London low on ES here. We're like at Asia low. Like we're through. 1 minute right here. Which gets retapped multiple times. This point here is where you enter another contract. Or even after it gets retapped here, if we don't get it on this point, when it retaps again, that's such a good opportunity to short. Waiting on an echo. So we short from here. Stops, we probably have just yay high. Even shooting for these lows is a good position. I was just a bit too. So I had the right vision. So I was thinking, okay, we'll take some bottom to come back up, and I think we will. We will be coming back up eventually, off of some bottom. This bottom here. But I more had the vision of fucking it happening within that New York. But as I said, should have taken this trade obviously, even if it, yeah, because it wouldn't have been past here. Because this, so that was a divergence as well, which, because that's a divergence, that normally means that price won't sweep that. Yeah, fuck, okay. Means price should be sweeping that. Yeah. Especially because they're such weak lows. Because we get sweep here, then re-sweep divergence. This doesn't even get the initial sweep, which means these are stacked up highs, but yeah, should have been that short. It's all good. Learning experience.